Janet with Try It Like It Created and CutCardStock. And what I'm trying today is using my Cricut Joy with the Stardream brand of paper, and it didn't have a choice to go above an 80-pound paper, and Stardream is, I think it's 120, let me just look at the package here, 105 cover. And so I chose to cut it with glitter. I chose the setting of glitter cardstock, and I have a really intricate design here. It was a free design from Cricut Joy, and so it cuts it twice, and you can see here that it did cut the outline. So let's take a look and see how did it do on the detail pieces. And it looks like it cut through quite well. We just have a few pieces here that I need to pop out for this design. So I'm quite happy with the, I mean, even these little teeny tiny flower shapes. So yeah, you can cut Stardream on your Cricut Joy. Okay, so what I have in front of me is the piece that we cut on the Cricut Joy, and this was, I think I set it to, yeah, 3 inches by 3 inches. And then I took my tan textured cardstock and cut it out to be 3.5 by 7, and then I scored it at 3.5, so it folds over to make a card. And this is going to glue onto the front cover. So I'm going to apply my glue, and then we will add some embellishment. So I'm going to add some glue to the back here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my glue, and I've got my just scrap paper here, and I'm going to take a a cosmetic wedge and dip into the glue and get it saturated, and then I'm going just to apply it onto my piece here, making it really easy to apply adhesive to a delicate piece. So this is just one technique of many, but I find this one to work quite well when you have such detail. So I'm going to move that out of the way, and then we can bring in our base, and I'm just going to eyeball it here. I could use a ruler, not gonna. And just wipe off any excess that got on the front. All right. And then I'm going to bring my scrap paper back in and add some more glue because I'm out. Use what was there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add gems to the front of this. So let me get my tweezer, and I have 2 different sizes of gems, and these are from the Dollar Tree. And so they come with adhesive on them, but it doesn't always stick. So I am just going to grab my gem, drop it into the glue, get some on the back, and then place it in the center of the larger flowers. All right, and then I'll do that with the small ones too, just to show you. You don't need to watch me do all of them here, but I'm pulling off the adhesive that comes with it. And then I'm just going to take this little gem, get it to go in the right direction here for me. Seems to be a little sticky. Either that or my tweezers are sticky. I'm not sure which. Okay, so I'm just going to add glue to the back of that, and then look for the smaller flower. and place it there.